In Leverage 2025 R1, we've added the ability to override the weight and the grade that is used on a scale ticket and an inbound scale ticket at the time it is applied to the purchase contract. So, for example, if you have a contract that maybe perhaps is destination weights and grades to govern, but for some reason you've received a scale ticket and the destination weights are invalid or unavailable, we can now, for that one exception, based on the rules and based on your override, be able to apply the origin weights and grades for that ticket to the contract. Let's take a look at how that might work. First of all, let's take a look at the purchase contract. I have a purchase contract in the system here, and you can see from the purchase contract that it is the destination weights and grades are to govern this contract. I've also have a scale ticket, an inbound in-transit ticket, ticket number 16, that has been that has origin weights of 3,500 bushels and a destination weights of 3,525. So we've received both the weights and the grades on this scale ticket, and we're going to go ahead and click the receive button so that ticket now is available to be applied to the contract. So let's go apply that and see the new functionality. We're going to click on Modules, Commodity Accounting, Inbound Ticket Application. We're going to select the branch, the commodity, and the customer and do a search. And we see now ticket number 25 for the 3,525 bushels is in the system. So I can click that. We can see here that the origin weight is 3,500, but the destination is 3,525. When I select that ticket, we'll see down below that the contract that we had in the system is available to be applied to. And you can see by default, it's going to use the contract rules, which is the destination is 3,525. When I click it, it uses the destination quantity 3,525 to be applied. So I'm going to uncheck that, and we're going to change the rule, and we're going to click this new button, Apply Exceptions, and we're going to apply, instead of the destination weights like the contract would have you say, we're going to apply the origin weights. So now when we apply the scale ticket, instead of the 3,525 bushels, it is shrunk and used the destination grades also and shrunk and is going to apply 3,300 bushels, the origin weights and grades because of this override. We simply hit the apply, and now the origin weights and grades have been applied to that contract. So then as we go through and settle that contract or settle those tickets, it will have used those origin weights and grades. And on an exception basis, we have added that new functionality to Leverage 2025 R1.